Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And thank you to all those that have stuck around from the beginning. So today we'll be making some groundnut cake, and these are the items that you'll be needing. I use peppermint essence because I don't have nana with me. We have nutmeg, vanilla sugar, pig milk, sugar, groundnut and ginger. First, we rinse our groundnut with running water, heat some water, and soak it in for some time. And then we extract the water from the groundnut. Pour in the groundnut and stir for some time. Add in the sugar. You can add less or more sugar depending on your choice. Stir continuously to prevent it from boiling. Blend the ginger and add it into the pot. Add in a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of peppermint essence or some nana leaves. Add in the milk and stir gradually. At this point, we'll turn down the stove to its lowest. Now that the milk have dried out, we'll put out the heat, set it aside, and let it cool down for some minutes. That's our groundnut cake, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.